Hey everyone, it's Kevin here, and welcome back to the 2D Project 1 game tutorial. You're watching episode 7 right now, so if this isn't the episode you're looking for, now is the time to go back and find the right one. With that out of the way, let's get started. Last episode, we created the chest and health pack and created them into prefabs, and also added the script for the corresponding items. This episode, we're going to be dealing with player-side interaction, so that the player can interact with the chests and, not just have them be there and be useless. To start, we're going to open up the player controller. We're going to scroll all the way down below help functions. And we're going to create a region called interact functions. Then we're going to create a function, private void interact. All right. Now there's a number of ways that you can make an interact function. You could use a Boolean to see if the thing that we're overlapping with is a chest. You can just run into the chest and just check if its tag is chest, and if it is, open it. But we're going to be using the same route that we did with attack functions and creating a raycast hit 2D. So we'll start with that. We're going to create a raycast hit 2D array of it. We're going to name it hits. We're going to set that equal to physics 2D dot boxcast all. And we're going to do player RB dot position to get the position where the box will start. We're going to add the current direction so that it's not directly on top of the player, but in front of the player where we're facing. Then we're going to create a new vector 2, and the inputs will be 0.5f and another 0.5f. And then we're just going to do 0f, comma, vector 2 dot 0 and 0f. Cool. That gets us our hits. Now we're going to do the normal thing, and we're going to go make a for each. We're going to say for each raycast hit 2D hit in hits if hit dot transform dot compare tag is chest. Then we're going to hit dot transform dot get component chest dot interact. And that's pretty much it. That's all we're going to do for that interact function. But now we actually need a way of calling interact. And we're going to do this with the same thing that we did. We're going to do this for the same thing that we did in attack. So we're going to go up here. We're going to open up our Unity functions. And we're going to go below the attack. And we're going to do basically very similar code. We're going to say if input dot get key down. And we're going to have the key code be L. Key code dot L. And if we get the key code L, then what we're going to want to do is we're going to just call the interact function. Interact. Cool. And now if you try this out and something isn't working, it's probably because your chests in your chest prefab isn't labeled properly. So you might want to check that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode. See you in the next one.